State of New Mexico versus Monique Salazar. State of New Mexico versus Ivan Acosta. State of New Mexico versus Paul Griego.
The Metropolitan Court of Bernalillo County had another packed docket Saturday morning.
We are the busiest courthouse in the state. We see more than every other courthouse does, from the traffic tickets to the misdemeanor cases and the initial felony cases that are filed here.
Metropolitan Court Chief Judge Joshua Sanchez says typically they oversee about 100 cases a day. And Saturday, New Mexico's top judge, Chief Justice David Thompson of the New Mexico Supreme Court, got a first-hand look at the court's caseload. Sanchez says he welcomes the visit.
We go to these statewide meetings and they hear about how things happen, but until you actually kind of sit there with another judge and see what happens, it's kind of eye-opening to see the kind of controlled chaos that we have on a Saturday morning around here.
He says their biggest challenge is the caseload. Thompson says he plans to visit courts statewide to see these challenges for himself.
I think it's a good idea just to come down and see it. And what you see if you watch these is you see all the interactions between what we face just not as a court system but as a society, right?
He says it's clear mental health plays a huge part in a lot of the cases Metro Court hears.
If there are questions of competency, can we catch those questions here rather than when they get transferred to felony court? That's one. Can they be assessed early on?
He also noticed a lot of repeat offenders.
I think it's very helpful to see it firsthand. On a few of these individuals, I've actually asked to look at some of the criminal history so I have an understanding of the particulars.
Sanchez says he hopes for more visits like this in the future.
It's just nice to give some real perspective and validates, I think, a lot of the things that we do communicate to AOC and the Supreme Court on things that we're seeing.
Tamara Lopez, KOB4.